GM. Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a continuation of the series how to earn passive income from unused funds on centralized exchanges. Of course, by unused funds, I mean funds that are just in your centralized exchange wallet and you're currently not trading them. Alright, so in previous videos, we talked about a service that is available in most centralized exchanges that enables people to kind of stake their funds and earn rewards from staking their funds without having to risk their funds. The funds are 100% safe and secured, more like saving your money in a traditional bank and earning interest for your saved money. Alright guys, I talked about this in one of the last videos, so you can go check it out. Okay, so far we have checked out this service on about 2 exchanges. Today we're going to check it out on KuCoin. So let's dive right into the tutorial without any further ado. Okay, so let's start by opening KuCoin. Alright guys, so we are in KuCoin, and first thing we want to ensure that our funds are lying in the right wallet, right? So let's go to wallet. Okay guys, as you can see, there is no funds in this wallet, but if you have funds in your wallet, you want to ensure that your funds are in your funding wallet. That is, if you want to use the Simple Earn service on KuCoin, you want to ensure that your funds are lying in your funding wallet or in your trading wallet. I think by default, your funds are most likely lying in your funding wallet. Okay guys, so let's go to home. Okay, from here, you can already see some of the services that are available on KuCoin, right? This is our area of interest. Open. Alright guys, this is KuCoin Earn, and you can see that there are several services here. But the service we want to use is the savings service. So let's open savings. Okay guys, so like we saw in Binance and Bybit, these are all the products that are available in this service, right? These are the APR of each product. So say we want to throw some USDT into this service, we just tap. Okay guys, so this is the APY for this product, and you can see that the term is flexible, meaning that you can redeem your funds at any time that you want. Over here, you just input the amount of the token that you want to stake. As you can see, the minimum amount of USDT you can stake is 10 USDT. So if you have less than that, you cannot, stake. So say we want to stake 10 USDT. Okay, so over here you can select from any of the wallets, right, depending on where your funds are. So you can turn on the auto subscribe so that your funds can automatically get subscribed every day instead of you having to come and do it manually. Okay guys, so once you're done, you can read the savings service agreement and check, and that's all. Just confirm, and then your funds should be successfully staked. Alright, if you have enough funds in your wallet. Okay guys, so I think your earnings, your rewards will be disbursed to your funding account or your trading account. So you want to go over to your wallet, and then you want to check for your reward over here or over here in your trading account. Alright guys, so it's that simple and straightforward. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Please do ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, and drop your comments and questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.